Hey, I had a little mishap here recently. You see I got the air intake off. Look down here on the front of the engine. Let me climb up this over the hood ladder here. See, I got the new junction right here. It's aluminum instead of plastic like Ford made. Put a new connection on there, and I put a new upper radiator hose on here. I went to replace this, but the wrong hose was in the kit. But this Dorman connection, if you wanted to update that, the part number is 626541. Basically what ended up happening is I had a little puddle under the truck, and my coworker came out and he said, "Hey man, you got a puddle under your truck." And I said, "I think it was already there. My truck's never leaked anything." Well, a couple days passed by, not overheating or anything, but I get home and I smell the sweet smell of coolant. I climb up underneath the bottom of it, and I look up, and right underneath this hose, at the quick connect on the bottom, it was leaking. Just barely leaking, just a little drip from time to time. And then when it was warm, it would seal back up. So I just replaced the whole entire old housing and installed a new one. And you can see where it was leaking right there around that groove. So what happens is the O-rings inside flatten out and they really don't seal anymore. You can replace the O-rings, but most people don't do that. They just throw a new hose and stuff on. You just update the stuff that's bad. That's it. I'm gonna do a lower soon. I just don't know when I'm gonna do it. So yeah, that's all I got for you right now. Thanks guys, be blessed. I've got some quick talking points at the end here. I'm driving home right now and I don't want to take my eyes off of the steering wheel, or the road. I had to take the throttle body off in order to get that junction, that aluminum junction, back on, and the plastic one off, because that throttle body blocks that thing from coming unconnected from that lower aluminum piece. And I used the new green, or the new yellow coolant from Ford. It's VC13DLG. VC13DLG or VC13DG or something like that. Or VC13G. Anyway, it's the Motorcraft yellow coolant that replaces the orange stuff that was in there. The Dex Cool stuff. And you can add to the old stuff. You don't have to flush the system completely, but you can't take the new stuff and add to it in the newer vehicles. So you can go backwards with the new stuff, but you can't go forward with the old stuff. So the orange or the yellow is what goes in the truck once you service the cooling system. Yeah, and that's it. The part was, I think the part was like 25 bucks on Amazon, that Dorman part. And then the other kit was an Amazon kit as well that was like 35, 40 bucks for the hoses. One of the hoses was incorrect. It was not the right hose, and that's the one from the reservoir over to the nipple on the engine, the overflow, or the supply. And it was not the correct hose, so I couldn't use that one. I had to reuse the old one. So basically the only parts that got replaced was the aluminum T coming off of the engine, and then the upper radiator hose going over to the radiator up top, and that was it. It was a pretty simple, pretty easy job. You lose about a gallon of coolant, half a gallon to a gallon of coolant, and yeah, that's it. That's all I got for you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. We also have channel membership here, where if you need specialized help, you own a business or something like that, I can offer that type of assistance to you. If you need automotive assistance, you need advice, something business-wise that you want to discuss, anything like that, just let me know. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.